In this question, we have an electric field of 20 Newton per Coulomb, which is existing in x direction. Now we have to calculate the potential difference between 2 points. Now the concept to solve this question is that the direction of electric field is from higher potential to lower potential. So let's say if this is the direction of electric field, then let us say this is point A and this is point B, then the potential at point A will be greater than potential at point B. Therefore, now to calculate the first part, that is the potential difference between VB minus VA, can be easily calculated by electric field into displacement. So in the first part we have electric field is given to us 20 and displacement is 0 minus 4. So my answer is minus 81. Now one thing to point out in this problem is that we are taking difference only in x coordinate but not in y coordinate, because electric field is acting in x direction, so the potential loss will be only due to the x coordinate and not due to the y coordinate. So solving for the B part, we have VB minus VA as electric field into displacement again, that is 20 into 4 minus 6, that gives me minus 40 volts. Similarly in C part, VB minus VA, that is again electric field into displacement, so 20 minus 0 minus 6, so my answer is minus 120 volts. Now the one thing to note in 3 of the answers is the potential is coming out in negative, which is because the potential at point B will be less than potential point A, so their difference will be negative. Now we do have a relation between the answers of part A and B and C. We see that the answer is coming out to be negative and it is directly proportional to the change in displacement. So the relation between the potential and electric field will be dV is given by minus of E into dx. Here dV is my change in potential, E is electric field, and of course dx is displacement in the direction of electric field.